Okay, 19 is the next one that we're looking at. It says the figure is created, blah, blah, blah. Okay, triangle and semicircle. I told y'all, semicircle, they're going to have it. Use a ruler to measure the dimensions to the nearest centimeter. So you have the formula chart. That's what we're going to be using. You have inches on one side and centimeters on the other. I'm only needing to measure a few things. I need to measure the height of my triangle, which I'm going to say is probably 7 centimeters. Height and base is what I need, you know, because I looked at my chart and I was told that half base times height will give me the area of my triangle. So base and height are all I need for that. That's going to round to 8. And then I need one more thing, which is going to be the radius of my circle. So it can either be from here to here. Honestly, it can be from here to here, here to here, here to here, anywhere. I'm just going to use this piece right there as my radius. Because again, it goes from the center out to the edge. And I know the whole thing is 4, but if you want me to double check it, I'm sorry, the whole thing is 8, so the half of it would be 4 centimeters. And that's radius. Make sure to label that so I don't accidentally use that for my diameter. It says which measure is closest to the area of the figure in centimeters. So first thing, I've got my formula for the triangle. Remember please that base and height make a 90-degree angle, which is why they have that right there for you. Plugging in 7 and 8. I'm going to go ahead and take half of 8 because I can do that at any point. Either half of 7, which is not as easy, or I could have done 7 times 8 and then taken half. But I kind of like to make numbers smaller, so half of 8 is 4. So I'm left with 7 times 4, and that gives me 28. So this piece, that triangle, is 28 centimeters squared. Now I have this circle, and if I'm not so sure, I look it up. On my chart it says it's pi r squared. I'm going to use 3. Why? Because I can, and I probably will still be able to choose a good answer. My radius here is 4 centimeters, and that's squared. Remember, pi comes last, right? Because it's dessert. This means 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And then we have 3 times 16. Let's see, that's 18, 48. And that's also centimeters squared. Now let's see, 48, 58, 68, of course they have this answer, which is the full circle and the triangle. But remember, it's a half circle, so this gets divided by 2. Half of that is 2. 24 centimeters squared is your circle, or excuse me, half circle, plus you have another 28. Add those together, 8, 12. So it's close. I'll show you 28 plus 24. Oops, plus. That's 52. And if I look at my answer choices, it's got to be 53 because keep in mind, I chose to use 3 instead of 3.14. So my answer that I got at 52 is a little bit smaller than the answer that they're looking for. So don't forget that semicircle means divide that circle in half.